Good afternoon, everyone, and today is our very special honor to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of Le Cordon Bleu Dusit. Congratulations.
Now, let's take a moment to revel in this achievement. Congratulations, all graduates will become members of our Le Cordon Bleu Dusit alumni and our brand ambassadors, and we welcome you to our growing family of alumni.
So today, it's a milestone. It's tell you how far you've come. It always seems impossible until it's done. So keep learning, keep trying, keep accomplishing, and keep venturing through on your culinary journey. Your culinary journey doesn't not end today, but it will continue with exploration of different environments, ecosystem of the world of gastronomy, different cuisine with different flavors, from different terroirs, unique to each cultures and country. Indeed, doe naklap. Merci beaucoup. Thank you, Kap.
We're always proud to see you time to time when you come back. It's always a pleasure to have news from what you're doing now in your personal business, in your studying, in your next adventure. Donc it's always a pleasure, so don't forget us and thank you very much.
I would like to thank all the chefs teaching us in cooking French cuisine, all the principles as beginner chef must know, showing us your talent, your techniques, the way to create nice plating, and how much we shall be aware on the stove, especially the use of salt and pepper.
From the first day I came to study at Le Cordon Bleu, I found Thai cuisine to be the comforting warmth of this school, as well as receiving knowledge. I also receiving love and warmth from the chef instructors. I wish you a future filled with joy and culinary success. Here is not just a school, I feel it's also our loving home. Le Cordon Bleu Dusit, Thailand. Thank you.
ขอบคุณนะคะคุณปุ๋ย
As we step into the world armed with our diplomas and piping bags, let's remember the joy of creating something delicious out of something simple. Thank you, Le Cordon Bleu, for helping us become better pastry chef we are today. Congratulations to all. Let's keep baking and making our world a sweeter place, one incredible creation at a time.
After a week of work, I realized that attending Le Cordon Bleu Dusit is one of the best decisions ever I made in life. Today is not only the end of this chapter, but I'm sure this is the beginning of new exciting journey. And I wish our future will be full of possibilities and delicious adventures. Thank you.
Last but not least, thank you guys, and I will see you guys again, and happy baking. Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you, Chef Damien.
We learned from each other's failures, celebrated each other's successes, and discovered the true meaning of teamwork during our exams and the voluntary delights event. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Let the ovens keep warm and the good times rise.
This is the beginning of your journey. Again, congratulations.
To all my fellow graduates of class 2024, may our paths be filled with success, fulfillment, and endless possibility. Cheers. Thank you so much.